In this video, we're going to install this hood to cowl weather strip on this Ford F-150. So our hood to cowl gasket here, our weather strip, is held in by a bunch of Phillips screws. We're going to start with this air conditioning line here that's held in on these two brackets that are screwed in. So we're going to remove these two screws. And they're just short Phillips. And now we can move these brackets, spin them around, and start to remove the rest of our Phillips screws all the way across. And the two down the end. And now we can take our weather strip off of the cowl. So now to install our new gasket slash weather strip, we're going to hang it up here. We're going to put two screws in on one side. And we're going to go to the other side and put two screws in down there. Because we don't want to drop these screws into the engine bay, we're going to push them through this weather strip first and screw them through first. And then put them up to the firewall here, or the cowl. All right, so now we can take our clips for our hose, screw these back in. And the next. And one more right up next to it here. Now our old gasket here had a cutout or a provision for the wiper motor. Now you can cut out and make a provision for the motor if you decide to. If not, you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.